Hey second grader, so today we are going to do Writing Wednesday. I'm going to read the prompt to you. This prompt will also be on the Google form where you're going to submit your writing. Right now what I want you to do is grab a piece of paper and a pencil. So you can go pause this video and go grab yourself a piece of paper and pencil right now. All right, I hope you have a piece of paper and pencil. I'm going to read the prompt to you now, and then we're going to work on it together. You can work on brainstorming and writing with me throughout this video, but I do want you to submit your writing on the Google form so I can read it. All right, let's begin by reading this. Gabriella liked to read and write interesting stories. She enjoyed interesting words that told about things she could see, feel, hear, smell, and taste. Write a story about one of your favorite places to go. Be sure to use a lot of describing words in your story. So, describing words are adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe something. So to describe this pen is blue. To describe this post-it is pink. So those are words that describe something. Do you have a favorite place to go? On your piece of paper, draw a little circle, and we're going to do a little bubble chart. We're going to brainstorm places we like to go. Okay, maybe you like going, okay, so we're going to write places we like to go, or you can say places I like to go. All right, let's branch out one bubble, and let's say you like going to the park. Great. Tell me reasons why you like going to the park. What can you see at the park? Maybe you can see there's a lot of birds and dogs walking around. There's a lot of animals you like to watch. How do you feel? When you go to the park, how do you feel? Do you feel excited? Happy? What do you hear? What do you hear when you go to the park? Maybe you hear other children playing, other kids playing. They're laughing. They're talking. All right, what do you smell at the park? Maybe somebody has a barbecue. Maybe you smell food, like a barbecue or somebody's picnic. And what do you taste? Sometimes you go to the park and you might be eating something. Maybe you taste, maybe you bought an ice cream popsicle from an ice cream truck. So that's a good brainstorm. Let's think of another place you like to go to. Maybe you like going to the beach. Okay, well, at the beach, what do you see? Maybe you see the waves. You see the sand. You see the sunset. What about how do you feel when you're at the beach? What do you feel on your skin? So sometimes you can talk about how you feel on the inside or what you feel in the air. Maybe it's windy. Maybe you can feel the wind. Maybe it's hot. You can feel the sun. Maybe you feel Maybe you can feel the sand on your feet. Maybe the waves are cold. Okay, so there's different things you can feel. What would you hear at the beach? Pretend you're at the beach. What would you hear? Maybe the seagulls? The birds are chatting along. Maybe you can hear the waves crashing. Maybe you can hear the kids laughing and playing. Okay, what about what we can taste? Have you ever had a picnic by the beach before? Sometimes you bring snacks. Maybe an ice cream bar. Maybe some juice. All right, so I hope you have some time. You can pause this video and definitely brainstorm some other places you've been to. All right, so we have to pick a place. So maybe, okay, you don't have to pick what I picked, but I'm gonna pick the beach. I'm gonna write about the beach, okay? It says, write a story about one of your favorite places to go. Be sure to use a lot of describing words in your story. So you can make up a story, but the place where the story happens has to be at the place you pick. So mine's at the beach. It can be a story that you experienced. Maybe it's a story about yourself when you went to the beach before. Okay, so you can say, my favorite place to go is the beach. And then you tell me a story. Last year, I went to the beach with my family. Now, don't forget, we need to talk about what we feel, what we hear, what we taste, what we see. I saw the waves crashing down, and I saw the beautiful sunset. Okay, I want you to write a bit more, but this is a good start, and make sure you submit your writing in your Google form.